How do I make several grand in a couple of minutes? I've been skeptical just as well until I tried it myself. Watch carefully and make money together with me. Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna share about a scalping strategy for binary options. I'll explain all its peculiarities, how the strategy is any different from all the other ones, and what advantages it has. Today, we'll trade and try to increase our initial deposit at least 1.5 times. We're gonna be using the CCI indicator for that purpose. So in this video, I'm gonna share my experience, my knowledge and skills. So my thought process during a trade placement. So make sure to watch this video until the end. There's going to be a lot of helpful and useful information that will help you later on, and you'll be able to apply it in your trading and your strategy today. And let's get back to the strategy itself. Let's see. This strategy implies shorter deals and more dynamic market motions. So your normal trading time frame might be 5 to 10 minutes or even more for some of us here. Scalping, however, requires minimal time frames such as S15, S30, and 1. Although I personally do tend to express a preference for a 1-minute time frame overall, this strategy is still different from my normal daily trading experience. First of all, it calls for the fast CCA indicator. This is probably the only oscillator that reacts to market alterations immediately, as the indicator itself is enormously fast, as I've already said. So we've already placed the first trade and we got the profit. Let's move on to the indicator preparation. It's literally vital for today. We're opening the indicators menu, searching for the CCI indicator and adding it. That's it. Now we're clicking the pencil icon and open the style section. We're typing 150 here and minus 150 here, just like this. This way we've slightly adjusted the top and bottom borders we're going to be entering the market at. So for the first profitable case, the indicator touched the top border of 150, which is a signal to sell. We had therefore placed a trade around this time and the market started moving downwards. Nothing highly complicated. Signals to buy are pretty much the same. When the indicator flows below the bottom minus 150 border, we open an upward deal and wait for the market to rise. The only exception we should always pay attention to is a strong trend presence. We wouldn't trade against powerful trend motions, obviously, as trading against the trend carries way more risks than a normal trading, So let's place the first upward trade right here. As we can see, the indicator is very close to its bottom border. The occurrence of the indicator line getting close to the border but not actually touching it and going back up right away is quite a nothing one. It's totally okay. It does happen. Just make sure not to rush in a hurry. So another important thing for today's setting, 1 candle time frame is 10 seconds. You gotta keep in mind no technical analysis or candle assessment is possible, as the time frame is too short, too small. These candles don't appear the best way, so to say. The deal's expiration time is 30 seconds to do, which allows us to enter and exit the market very quickly. So let's see. Let's place a downward trade right here. The indicator has already overcome the 150 border and started moving back down. Speaking of, you can feel free to use more reliable signals in such cases when the indicator exits and comes back into the channel right away shortly. The moment when the indicator re-enters the normal trading range is a safer and more reliable signal. However, my aim at the moment is the number of deals. I make a bunch of them, and even reaching a bag win rate of 55 to 60%, depending on the number of deals, I would still end up in a positive territory, since I may place 10 or even 20 positions in one trading session. We're placing another upward trade once again. Is it done thoroughly from the bottom border of the indicator? Let's wait for the results. So in this case, I also made 2 additional deals for the purpose of loss coverage, as I thought the market would lean towards keep its downward motion on, leaving the first deal, for instance, to lose due to lack of time for a profitable exit. However, as you can see, the first deal along with all the following ones has closed successfully, and we've made a very decent profit. So this case displays a steady downtrend, so I'll only place an upward trade when the indicator gets back into the normal condition area between minus 150 and 150. Because if we were to make a deal here, there'd be a high chance for the downtrend to carry on, making us lose the deal. The current situation looks alright. You gotta understand that all scalping trades are essentially risky though, as there's only so little time and the market might simply not follow your scenario right away, making you place a bunch of trades in a row and wait for a while till it finally does. So guys, we have reached our goal. We almost doubled our initial deposit, turning $800 into $1,400. I hope you find this video helpful and learned something new today. Also, don't forget that I offer more long-term deals down to 15 minutes of expiration time on my free Telegram channel, so that you can easily enter with each one of my signals safely and make the same results as I do. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comment below this video. Good luck, see you in my next video.